Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy new update on Instagram that allows you to see when you sent a GIF in a group chat on your PC. This feature can be especially useful for keeping track of your conversations and ensuring that your GIFs are sent successfully. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages. If you haven't updated your app recently, it's a good idea to do that to ensure you have the latest features. Next, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble and is where all your direct messages are housed. Click on it to enter your messaging area. Once you're in the Messages section, find and open the group chat that contains the GIF you want to check. This could be a group of friends, family, or colleagues, wherever you've shared those fun animated images. Now comes the crucial part. Find the GIF in the chat. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the GIF you sent. Once you've found it, click on the three dots next to the GIF. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. In this drop-down menu, you'll be able to see the exact time when you sent that GIF. This is a fantastic way to keep track of your interactions and ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding what was shared and when. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check when you sent a GIF in an Instagram group chat using your PC. This new update enhances your messaging experience and helps keep those conversations flowing smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy using this feature to stay connected with your friends.